Welcome back to Health Hub, where our mission is to make you and your family healthier. Today, we're revealing the incredible power of lemon that shrinks the prostate fast and fights cancer. Men's health is our focus, and we're diving deep into the amazing impact of this everyday fruit. Are you tired of dealing with the frustrating symptoms of prostate enlargement? Perhaps you've heard of lemon's health benefits, but didn't realize its potential for shrinking an enlarged prostate. Or maybe you're concerned about prostate cancer and want to know if lemon can play a role in reducing your risk. Either way, today's video will open your eyes to the surprising ways lemon protects your prostate and boosts overall men's health. I'm here, your friendly neighborhood health expert. My goal is to empower you with knowledge so you can make informed choices for a healthier life. And what better place to start than with a simple yet superfood like lemon? So let us explore the science-backed secrets of lemon and how you can incorporate them into your daily routine for optimal prostate health. As we go deeper, you'll discover practical tips, recipes, and insights to help you harness the full power of lemon in your journey to wellness. But first, I need your support. Click the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest health revelations. Together, we can unlock nature's best for a better, healthier you. One of the most common health challenges faced by men, especially as they age, is prostate enlargement, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This condition can cause discomfort and disrupt daily life. Fortunately, nature offers a powerful ally in the form of lemon. The secret lies within this small but mighty fruit. Let's delve into the details. To begin with, lemons are abundant in vitamin C, a renowned antioxidant. This vitamin plays a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, two significant contributors to prostate enlargement. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, citrus fruits like lemons contain flavonoids that effectively inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells. Another study conducted at the European Society for Clinical and Economic Aspects of Osteoporosis and Osteoarthritis revealed that individuals with higher vitamin C intake had a 32% lower risk of developing BPH. Additionally, traditional medical practices in Asia and the Middle East have long utilized lemon as a natural remedy for urinary tract and prostate issues. Incorporating lemon into your daily routine can provide a multitude of health benefits. So how can you harness these benefits for your prostate health? Let's explore some simple yet effective methods. First and foremost, start your day with a glass of lemon water. This simple habit can work wonders for your body and mind. The warmth of the water aids in detoxification, while lemon adds a refreshing twist. By combining these two, you create a perfect elixir to kickstart your day. Additionally, incorporating lemon into your meals can boost your nutrient intake. For instance, adding lemon juice to salads or fish dishes not only enhances the flavor, but also provides essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, variety is key. Experiment with different recipes and find what suits your palate best. For those seeking a unique experience, consider trying lemon peel tea. This aromatic brew is rich in beneficial compounds and can be easily prepared by boiling lemon peel in water for 10 minutes. Finally, prioritize hydration by replacing processed drinks like soda with fresh lemon water. Not only does it keep you hydrated, but also reduces the intake of harmful sugars. This simple swap can make a significant difference in your overall health. By following these tips, you can enjoy the myriad benefits of lemon. While taking care of your prostate health, one of the scariest health conditions any man can face is prostate cancer. As the second most common cancer in men worldwide, its impact is both profound and concerning. Each year, over 1.4 million new cases are diagnosed globally, making it crucial to understand the factors that increase the risk. Age is a significant factor, with the likelihood of prostate cancer growing considerably after 50. Genetics also play a role, meaning family history can indicate potential risks. Furthermore, lifestyle and dietary habits have been linked to elevated levels of prostate cancer. Unhealthy eating patterns, lack of physical activity, and obesity all contribute to creating an environment where cancer cells can thrive. However, there is hope. Regular checkups and screenings are vital for early detection and treatment, allowing for better management of the condition. By staying proactive and informed, men can effectively reduce their risk and take charge of their prostate health. Lemon is a powerhouse of nutrients, each working together to provide a natural defense against various diseases, including cancer. Let's break down the key players and their benefits. At the forefront, we have vitamin C. This vital nutrient acts as a shield, protecting the body from harmful free radicals that can damage cells and DNA, reducing the risk of mutation leading to cancer. Lemons are particularly rich in deliminon, a compound found in the lemon peel with significant anti-cancer properties. Delimon is known to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, promoting apoptosis, a process where cancer cells. Additionally, this compound has anti-inflammatory properties, which play a vital role in maintaining prostate health. Deliminon also aids in hormone regulation. balancing the levels of testosterone and estrogen, thereby reducing the risk of prostate enlargement. Beyond vitamin C and L-theanine, lemons are packed with other beneficial nutrients. Citric acid, found abundantly in lemons, is crucial for maintaining a healthy prostate. It acts as a natural diuretic, aiding in the removal of excess fluid from the prostate, reducing inflammation and relieving discomfort. Citric acid also binds to calcium, preventing the formation of calcium oxalate stones, a common issue in men's health. Furthermore, citric acid has anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the prostate and promote overall urinary health. Lemons are also a great source of flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that plays a key role in fighting inflammation and reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. Specific flavonoids present in lemons, such as hesperidin and naringin, have been shown to inhibit the growth of prostate cancer cells in laboratory studies. The power of lemon in supporting men's health goes beyond individual nutrients. The synergy between vitamin C, L-theanine, citric acid, and flavonoids creates a comprehensive defense system for the prostate. Together, they combat free radicals, reduce inflammation, regulate hormones, and prevent the formation of harmful substances, ensuring optimal prostate health. If you're wondering how to incorporate lemons into your daily routine for enhanced prostate health, here are some quick and easy tips. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water. This simple habit aids digestion and promotes liver detoxification, allowing the body to eliminate harmful toxins. Another effective method is to add lemon juice to your meals, especially salads and fish dishes. This not only boosts your vitamin intake, but also enhances the flavor of your food. For those who prefer a unique approach, lemon peel tea is a delightful option. Simply boil lemon peel in water for 10 minutes, add a touch of honey, and enjoy. Finally, avoid sugary drinks and replace them with lemon water. This simple swap helps control blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of obesity-related diseases. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry revealed that citrus flavonoids effectively inhibited the growth of prostate cancer cells. Another study demonstrated that higher vitamin C intake was associated with a 32% lower risk of developing BPH. These findings highlight the critical role of lemons in maintaining prostate health. By now, you've seen how lemon can be a game changer for your prostate health. Its nutrient-rich composition, including vitamin C, citric acid, and flavonoids, provides a holistic approach to supporting overall men's health. Whether you're looking to prevent prostate enlargement or reduce the risk of prostate cancer, lemon offers a natural and effective solution. However, if you're dealing with advanced stages of prostate disease, it's essential to seek professional medical help. While lemon can complement traditional treatments, it's not a substitute for them. Remember, incorporating lemon into your daily routine as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle is key to maximizing its benefits. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Have you experienced the benefits of lemon for your prostate health or overall well-being? Share your stories in the comments below. Together, we can build a community of shared experiences and knowledge. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey through the world of natural health. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. I invite you to continue exploring our channel for more health insights. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and embrace the power of nature in your pursuit of wellness.